Hi everyone, let's solve for x. Now, I did not say guess. Can you show step by step how you got your x? It's not really an easy one as it seems, okay? So let's get straight to the point. Now, this is x to the power of root x. I want you to note that square root of what? X raised to the power of 2 is also equal to x, right? Therefore, we can replace this with this. So that's exactly what we are going to do now. So we have square root of x raised to the power of 2 multiply raised to the power of root x again, okay, is equal to 10. Yeah, now when you have a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n, all right, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So that simply means that we can rewrite this as what? Square root of x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by root 2, which is 2 root x. 2 multiplied by root x, sorry, which is 2 root x, is equal to 10. Now we have root x here, we have root x there. We can actually simplify the equation by saying let square root of x be equal to y. So if we say that, that means this equation automatically becomes y raised to the power of 2y is equal to 10. Yeah, so you can see that the power contains our variable. That means the only way to solve this is to introduce a ln to both sides of the equation, right? So we are going to introduce a ln to the both sides of the equation, and we have ln y to the power of 2y is equal to ln 10. Now when you have ln a raised to the power of b, this can be written as b multiplied by ln a. Therefore, we can bring this down to write that 2y ln y is equal to ln 10. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 2. So we have 2y ln y divided by 2 is equal to ln 10 divided by 2. So this we cancel this. So we have y ln y is equal to ln 10 divided by 2. Correct, right? Yes. All right. Now, before I go further, I need to introduce the Lambert W function to you. For those of you that don't know, the Lambert W function states that when you have this is the Lambert W function. The Lambert W function of a raised to the e raised to the power of a, all right, is equal to what? A. Once your power and this, the coefficient is the same, you are definitely going to get a as your solution. All right, so that means that we are going to manipulate this in order to have, recall what I wrote, a e to the power of a. That means we need e to be introduced here, and we need our power and our words, our coefficient to be the same thing before we introduce the Lambert W function. Now, if this is the first time you are coming across this channel, hit the subscription button please, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos like every day, at least twice every day we upload videos. So just check us at your convenience to do what? To watch new videos. Now give us a thumbs up please if you actually enjoyed this video. And we have a new channel, guys, JJ Math Class. I would like you guys to stomp there and then do what you love doing. Okay, all right, now this is it. So we are going to notice that in that particular expression, this, we have e there. How do we introduce e to what we have here? Recall that when you have e to the power of ln y, say e to the power of ln y or ln x, this is equal to x, right? Therefore, we can get y or replace y with e to the power of ln y, right? So we now say e raised to the power of ln y multiplied by what? Ln y is equal to ln 10 divided by 2. So we can rearrange this, right, and bring this side to have ln y e to the power of ln y is equal to ln 10 divided by 2. Now when you look at this, see that it's already in the form that we can introduce the Lambert W function, because our power and our coefficient, excuse me, our power and our coefficient is now the same. Okay, they are the same now. So what do? We introduce the Lambert W function to have ln y multiplied by e to the power of ln y is equal to the Lambert W function of ln 10 divided by 2. Okay, you know the solution, right? Once you introduce this, the answer is ln y. So we now have ln y is equal to the Lambert W function of ln 10 divided by 2. Interesting, right? Yes. Now recall that our y is what? What is our y? Let me not forget. Yeah, recall that our y is what? Root x. Sorry, before that, let's get y first before we start substituting the value of our y. Now recall that when you have e raised to the power of ln y, you are going to get y. So what we are going to do is to raise each side of this equation to the power, to the base of e, right? So we introduce base e for both of them, for both sides. So we have e to the power of ln y is equal to e to the power of Lambert W function of ln 10 divided by 2. Yeah, so this, we now cancel this to give us y, okay, is equal to e to the power of the Lambert W function of ln 10 divided by 2. Okay, now look at what we have. Recall that your y is what? Our y is root x. So we can say square root of x is equal to e to the power of the Lambert W function of ln 10 divided by 2. So to get the value of x, we need to square both sides of this equation, right? Yeah. So let's square both sides of this equation. If we do that, then we are going to have root x raised to the power of 2 is equal to e to the power of Lambert W function of ln 10 divided by 2, everything raised to the power of 2. Permit me to clean this, please. Everything raised to the power of 2. So we have this, we cancel this to give us that x is what? E to the power of the Lambert W function of ln 10 divided by 2, everything raised to the power of 2 is approximately equal to 3.453. Thank you so much for watching.